This is Krish. Welcome to our channels PVSK Education, PVSK Entertainment, PVSK Cooking and PVSK Experiment. Please give your valuable subscribe and like to our channels. Now we are going to discuss on about Azure Devops. So Azure Devops is one of the leading cloud platform from Azure. So we know that Azure. So here you should give dev.azure.com and you click on that and enter your credentials. Automatically open this type of window. And so if you want to go there azure.com, portal.azure.com, and you click on that, it's automatically open this window. So go to home and it shows different resources like this. We already discussed on this. So when you go to the database and containers, if you want to go there and use paid which you want. So here what is meaning of Azure DevOps means? So this Azure DevOps is nothing but it supports software as a service from Microsoft, and it gives end-to-end DevOps tool chain for development and deployment softwares and applications, and it integrates with Jenkins, GitHub, GitLab like that, and also Linux platform also it supports, and Kubernetes, iOS. So it is, and also it supports any language, any platform, any cloud, and also it supports Azure repositories, CI/CD pipeline, and artifact management and testing platform. So then first of all you should create here a new organization. So you should click on that new organization, then you should click on continue, and then you should click on, so here you should click on that name. I mean here you should give the name. So PVS, just which you want as per this name given as per organization, and here is the location, and this is the patch it's came. So as per patch, so when you type for this patch, so or W4M, so when you or W4M, so when you type this patch here and click on OK, so here it's created now. So very important, it's created now. So it's trying to create. So Azure here DevOps is very important. So when you open that, so then you give the project name. So 007 is created. So when you give this project name PVS, you should create which project if you want. So here you should remember that one organization allows more projects. So here project name like PVS as KEDU. So when you create the project name, you should create in private only, not public. Public means it's up. So here you read this, anyone can on the internet can view the project, so it's not good stuff. So that's why you should create a private. So that's the main thing here. So and create new project. When you create new project, it is created. So it is created like this. So it's created. So like this it shows repositories and pipelines and testing platform and artifacts. So which you want, go there and do it. So this is the main thing here. Click on that. It shows how many organizations we have, and so it's like this every organization. So is a project is created or not. So when you click on that, it shows like how many projects we have, and also we know about, we easily know about here my work items and my push requests. Up to now we are not doing these tasks. So kindly subscribe our PVSK Education, PVSK Entertainment, PVSK Cooking and PVSK Experiment. Thank you very much.